All right, guys, 2021 6.6 liter V8 GMC 3500 HD. As you guys can see, it keeps going and going and going. Sierra SLE. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. You can't even hear it. Here's sound decibels. Right at 85. Again. Too quiet. Again. So, just wait. We're about to turn it into a beast. All right, guys, 2021 GMC 2500 HD 6.6 liter gas beast, whatever you want to call it. And the custom wheels, custom tires, just a sick truck, huge. And it's got its ears tucked in, or the mirrors. I call them ears. It's cool. It's ready to pounce. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there. Massive third converter there. Then what we did is took the stock muffler off. I'll show it to you guys in a second. It's over there. And replaced it with a vibrant street power round universal muffler, part number 1119. There will be a link in the description for it, as you guys can see right there. Then continued the 3-inch pipe out the back, or 3.5 inch, and put a massive 5-inch black tip to complete the look, make it look sexy and sound phenomenal. You know that. So there's the stock muffler that was on it. It's gigantic. Everything's huge on this truck. Look, it's like 7 handfuls. I got big hands. Anyways, there's the factory muffler, and now it will sound better, look better, and just, you know, completes the look of a massive truck like that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. There'll be a link in the description for everything. Oh man, that sounds so good. That's beautiful. Listen to that beast. Hear sound decibels? Yep. 102. They didn't want it raspy, wanted a clean sound. That's why we went with a vibrant street flow. Beautiful. I think it sounds perfect. Go ahead and back it out. So that idle. That massive truck, man. It's massive. I love it. What do you guys think? That tip completes the look. Let you guys hear it on the inside. We had a car accident up there, guys. God be with them.